Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on the function to reduce transparency and blur in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this function? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu, here it is, and in visibility enhancements when you scroll down we have reduce transparency and blur option. So what does this function do? From this short explanation, reduce visual effects on dialogues and menus to make them easier to see. So we can turn on this function right here. No need to save, we can safely go back to our home screen, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.